guys, how are you going? Seldom I go out of the house because yeah, we're not allowed to, and at the same time it's been very cold, but yeah, since spring has started, like everything's so nice. Like, yeah, look at the weather. It's around, oh, it's already 7 a.m. and yeah, I'm just walking towards the street. The thing is, you need to wear masks when you go out these days, so I have a mask in my pocket. Fuck. Yeah, it's kind of cold. I'm just gonna check the mailbox now and see how it goes. Okay, there was nothing there in the mailbox, but I'm expecting mail today. A Rode Video Micro I got for $10. No, was it 15? Yeah, I think it was $15. It was missing the wind muff or dead cat, but that's fine. Also, I have the mag clip for this microphone up here, so I'm just gonna put magnets on it. Ah, it's really cold. Not really cold, but it's a bit cold. But the sun's out, everything's nice. Just a quick walk. Yeah, I'm cold. I'm gonna go back inside because I'm a bit cold. But yeah, the weather's really good today. Good morning, guys. So yeah, the sun's coming out in a few. And Laura's awake. Good morning. Oh, that's so bright. Anyway, gonna go back to the computer after an hour. I'm just gonna take a break. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna finish this vlog or something. But yeah, good morning, guys. So I'm just heading out right now. I'm still having my class upstairs, but I'm recording it. I'm heading to Kmart because I bought some stuff online and it's click and collect. I'm gonna click and collect stuff. Yeah. Good morning. No, good afternoon, guys. Okay, I'm heading to Kmart right now, and yeah, weather's pretty warm today. It's pretty bright, but it's just too windy for me. Anyway, I'm gonna drive because I might get caught, and I'll be fined, and I don't want that. By the way, Kmart just across the street. I mean, across that, and then yeah, I'll be there. So it was that quick. I wasn't able to film them, but took a photo. Yeah. So yeah, they just took my order number, and my order is ready. So they just handed it to me. Some of the orders there. So it's that quick. Okay, gotta get out of here. Okay, I'm heading to Macca's now. Gotta get some things. Okay. So yeah, it's really kind of windy today. No, it's not kind of. It's really windy today. Oh fuck, it's so hot. Yeah, and the thing is, yeah, I just got my order. It's quick. Click and collect is so nice because the thing is, you order, and instead of waiting for it to be shipped, you just go to the place and give them your order number and everything, and then your order's there. Now you just pick it up. So yep. Okay, I need to park this car. This is not even our car, and the camera's not focusing my face. Oh, it is focusing. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Yeah, click and collect is awesome because the thing is, you just have to order things online, and then when they're ready, they just text you, and you just pick it up. Because the thing is, if you have it shipped, you pay for shipping, you wait for it, and it takes a lot of time. And yeah, the post office is, yeah, they're so full right now. Everybody's like shipping stuff. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's been there for ages already, but the thing is, people are maximizing it now because we have lockdown, and currently we can't get to the store. Anyway, I'm just gonna unload the stuff and go inside. Yeah. Yeah, and also just to show you, this is what happened to my car. Yeah, I closed and the bin just hit this shit, and look at what happened to it. So yeah, everything just went down. I'm gonna have it fixed tomorrow, so it should be all right. But yeah, for now, it's me being shitty. I hate looking at it. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower now, and yeah, because I went outside just to get some stuff. But for safety first, you take a shower, no matter how quick you were outside. As long as you went outside of the house, or you go out, we take a shower, wash up. Anyway, yeah, that's it.